Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by picking a manager that matches your needs: local for privacy, cloud for sync. Once chosen, install the desktop app and browser extension now so you have integration ready. Create a strong master password, long, unique, and memorable using a passphrase pattern, because this unlocks everything. Next, enable auto updates and note which devices you'll sync. Finally, set up a recovery method, such as a recovery code or trusted contact, before you import anything. Now import your existing passwords using CSV export or direct transfer. Review entries and resolve duplicates as you go. Once imported, organize by creating vaults or tags for personal, work, and shared accounts so you can apply different sharing and policy rules. Make the password generator your default for new or updated logins, and run a security audit to find weak or reused passwords. Update those entries immediately and mark critical accounts for 2FA to harden access. Finish by enabling cross-device sync and confirming encrypted backups are completing successfully. Check another device to verify. Then enable two-factor authentication on the manager itself and set up biometric unlocking where available for convenience. Store recovery codes offline in 2 separate secure locations. Test sign-ins and autofill on several sites and share credentials only with the manager's secure sharing feature. If something goes wrong, first check sync status and backup integrity. Restoring from an encrypted backup is usually the safest recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.